Project for the day. We got this Dodge Ram pickup truck, but check this out. Look at that hood, man. The paint failure, the clear coat failure, the oxidation. This is what Florida sun would do to your vehicle. We got some heat down here. We got this on the hood, and we also got it on the roof. The roof is in bad condition too. So our goal is for this customer is to hit this thing, man, and try to make it look brand new as possible. So the two options we got, we can't lay the vinyl wrap on top of this, but here's a note. What you feel is what you will see. The rough texture that you see here, I can feel it. That's exactly what that vinyl wrap is gonna show. Keep in mind, it's not gonna make it disappear. It makes it look 3D. That's what it does, man. So the next option is to sand this down. Get it down low as possible, because we got to go lower than this right here. This is all the way down to the middle, but we got to even it out. So we got to go low as possible. But other than that, it's going to look better than it does right now. So we're going to go through the process. Not going to show you, but we're going to just pretty much glance over it, all right? Let's go. First thing first, we want to make sure we got our bucket of soap, water, and we got our rag. We got a microfiber towel here, and this is not your ordinary soap. This soap has the greaser in it. It's pretty much going to get rid of all the dirt, grime, grease, wax, anything that's going to be in the way of your wrap. And let it sit, but don't let it dry. Then we're going to come over the top with just regular water, and we're going to rinse away. You want to make sure you get all your edges. Make sure you clean those very well, because that dirt will have your edges unraveling, and then it'll start looking tacky. That's not what you're aiming for. So clean those edges. Here at New Touch Auto, we like to show our customers some appreciation. Even though we're only doing the hood and roof, we're gonna go ahead and wash the entire vehicle. I'm from the old school. Word of mouth gets around fast. Don't just rely on social media. We decided to take the hood off the car. Makes it easier to sand it. Now, I made the comment in the beginning, you can feel it, you can see it. But once I'm done sanding it down, making it look like this, we're gonna change up that scenario. It's gonna be, if you can see it, after the wrap, you won't see it. Got our gloss black roll cut out. We're all set, man. Got the hood all sanded down. Let's go, baby. Now that we got the vinyl wrap laid, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting around the edges. Ooh-wee! That's a brand new look, new feel, and a new touch. All because of a vinyl wrap. Don't give up on your vehicle just yet. Your vehicle has more lifespan than you think. Apply one of these wraps, man, to bring it back to life, just like this truck. This right here is proof, man. This is proof. And this customer is gonna love this new glossier look. And don't forget, smoother. Thank y'all for checking out this video. Y'all wanna see some before and afters? Check it out.